equipment have to data that was been sent? In other words, would it be able to...
For our perspective, we believe in full openness and transparency. We want people to find things. Whether they find 1 or 100, we don't care. We are not embarrassed by what people find. People have talked about, poor coding or poor engineering. We stand naked in front of the world, and it may not be a pretty sight all of the time, but we would prefer to do that because it enables us to improve our products, and we all benefit from that.
Would it be able to see the communications?
So we do not run networks. We provide equipment to telecommunications operators, so they run the network. So we have no access to any of the data that's running across that network.
Will your equipment have the ability to track my movements?
So if you think about what telecommunications does, it tries to connect you with a base station wherever you are in order to connect you to the network. And therefore it does know where you are because it knows where the information is coming from. So in that context, telecommunications network from all vendors know where you are because it can connect you to that network. That's not different to Huawei's equipment to anybody else's equipment.
With the Chinese intelligence services in China.
There are no laws in China that obligate us to work with the Chinese government on anything whatsoever. So we've mentioned supply chain earlier. We have, in our products, only about 30% of the components in a Huawei product is Huawei's. The rest come from a global supply chain. We inspect that global supply chain by taking things coming in from manufacturing, we take them apart and we check. We're building segregation of duties so one person doesn't have access to all of the products. We limit what engineers can do. So wherever we have a part of the process, we look to build a control into everything that we do. And CSEC is one of those controls.